In this video, we are going to discuss about Venn diagram, union and intersection of sets, complement of a sets. So let's start with Venn diagram. Most of the relationship between two sets are represented with the help of diagram called Venn diagram. In this diagram, we have rectangle representing universal set and closed curves, usually circles, representing subsets. Let's take an example. Let U be a universal set having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and its subsets A having element 1, 2 and B having element 1, 2, 3. So here rectangle is representing our universal set, and like this way closed curve is representing our subset A. And now if we want to represent universal set A and B, all these sets, so this is representing universal set and this is set A, and we can see that A is subset of B because B is having elements of A, means B contains A. So like this way we can represent our subset B. Here A having elements 1, 2 and this B having elements 1, 2 and this portion it is 3. So let's move to our another topic, union of sets. Let A be a set having elements 1, 2 and B be a set having elements 2 and 3. So what is union of two sets? Union of two set is the set having elements of both A and B. So the union will be having elements both of these sets, means 1, 2, 3. And how we represent it on Venn diagram? This is our universal set and this is our A and this is our B. This is having element 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So we are going to represent here union. So this shaded portion is the union. Moving to our another topic, intersection of two sets. Here we again having set A having elements 1, 2, set B having elements 2 and 3. So what is intersection of two sets? We represent like this, A intersection B. So intersection of two sets is the common elements of both the sets. Here 2 is common to both the sets. So 2 will be the intersection of these two sets. And now represent intersection on Venn diagram. Again we are having this universal set. This is A and this is B, and their intersection, the common part, this is representing our intersection of A and B. This shaded portion is the intersection of two sets. So let's move to our last topic, that is the complement of a set. Let we have a universal set U having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and its subset A having elements 1 and 2. So we represent complement of A by A dash. What is complement of a set A? Complement of a set A will be the elements leaving which are in A. So in universal set, we will exclude the elements in A and the remaining elements here 3, 4, 5. Set of elements 3, 4, 5 will be called the complement of A. And how we will represent it on Venn diagram? Again, this is our universal set and this is our A, subset A. So here complement of A will be this shaded portion excluding A. Thank you.